welcome. This is Nishita Srolia, and you're watching Raj Media TV. And today I have a very great personality of Jaipur, Dr. Siddhi Bhandari. And so I wanted to talk to you about the kind of synergy being maintained over here by all the doctors in the family of DBL. How do you take this synergy?
I think it's a very inspiring day. It's absolutely wonderful to see all doctors being so sporty. Probably this is the best way to keep them rejuvenated, stay in the de-stress position. Because doctors have the most demanding profession. They need to really work very hard. They are not only physically involved but mentally they are also under a lot of pressure. And probably this is the best way to have this sporting activity. It will improve their mental agility, it will improve physical fitness of doctors, and I appreciate and I compliment organizers for having organized such a wonderful tournament among doctors, faculty. All age groups are there, students are there, senior citizens are there. Probably is a great amalgamation of all cross section of the medical fraternity, all praiseworthy effort.
And so these my one more question is that now the 50% over 50% population is vaccinated, and there is a threat overcoming for the Omicron variant. How do you take this? That is gonna be people gonna be in peril, or how the general public should take it?
Truly speaking, Omicron is a new variant. Now, this new variant has some risk, that is highly infective and it gets transmitted very fast. But how critical, how severe its symptom profile and complications will be there, which is not clear. So it could have its complications just like the earlier strains also. So because of high infectivity and high transmitting capability of this Omicron, we need to be very careful about COVID appropriate behavior. I think now the need of masking and social distancing become all the more important to prevent the interpersonal spread. As far as the Omicron threat is concerned, probably it is a variant of concern. We need to be careful. Over the next few weeks, we'll come to know how aggressive it is, but definitely it is not a strain of panic. We need not to panic. Thirdly, the latest articles have come that those who are vaccinated, even if they contact newer strain of COVID, they will have only mild or very less aggressive disease. So I think more and more people need to ensure that they are doubly vaccinated, even to protect from Omicron.
Thank you, sir, for all the information. Keep on watching Raj Media TV.